Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to install bifold door knobs. We used to have two knobs in this area, which actually did not match the knobs on the other two doors, which are located right here. And because of that, we decided to move our new knobs to the left in this case and to the right on the other door. So what we had to do is, first off, we measured the distance between these 2 points and put a mark in the middle. Next we will need to use a drill and drill bits. First I will make a pilot hole. I'll use this small size right here. Next we'll make the pilot hole. Make sure that your drill is straight and carefully Next we will need a different size of the drill bit. I believe it's 1/8, the one that we need. It has to match our bolt, which will go through the door. So approximately it has to be the same diameter as the bolt. Now you just have to repeat the procedure. I'll try if it goes through now. It still doesn't. It's close but not quite there yet, so it means that we need to choose the next size. The next size of the bit is 5/32. We'll use this one now. Again, go through the hole. Now we'll use the 3/16 size, which is actually, well, I'll show you guys, it's a bit bigger, but looks like this one will work. Okay, we enlarged our hole and you can see now the bolt goes through, which means that we will be able to secure our knob. The bolt will go from the inside of the door and then the knob goes on top. You may need to tighten the bolt from the inside of the door while at the same time holding the handle on the other side. Use a Phillips screwdriver and tighten it all the way, and that's it. Our handle is good to go. Again, this is our handle, and as you can see it works great now. This is how you install one, and I'll quickly show you guys the tools again that we used. We use a drill bits. First we use the pilot hole, 5/64, then we used a couple of these to enlarge our hole, and the last one that we used was 3/16, and of course you might need a screwdriver, Phillips. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will be helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.